Hey, hello part-time teachers. This is Danny Brown, and I'm going to explain a survey that the school has asked all of us teachers to fill out. First of all, you go to your Gmail account and you'll find this uh, email right here. It was sent yesterday around 5:30 or so. And so here's the name of it you can search for. Um, and you click that. Now, this email will tell the school how you're teaching your classes right now. It particularly says for online distance classes, but everyone has to fill this out for all of your classes, regardless of whether you're teaching online or not. Right now, I have 7 classes, and I'm teaching them all face-to-face, but I have to fill this out. Now, here is the link that you click so you can fill out your class information. Okay, there we go. Now, you're going to find your name and your classes here, and you just search through. There's Orla Rylands, there's Danny Brown, Orla, Brandon, there's Shane. Okay, I'm going to find, I've filled out most of mine, but I've left my globalization class blank so that I can show you how to fill that out. Here's my globalization and culture class, okay? And here's Danny Brown. Now, here are the questions, and I will translate this for you quickly. First, the first 3 questions have to do with this right here. It says, hover your mouse over each number and the contents of the question will appear. So put your mouse here. Question 1 says, is the teacher in charge of the class? That's you. Is the teacher following the plan on the syllabus? So hopefully you're following your syllabus carefully. If you're not, then you put no. If you are, you put yes. So we click here, and I'm going to do this, which is height, and it means yes, I'm following my syllabus. Okay. Now the next one, number 2, this says, um, for online classes, uh, are you making sure that you are taking attendance, that you are giving verifiable um, assignments, and that you fully understand the situation of the class? All right? And I'm going to say yes. For this globalization class, I taught 2 of them online, 2 class sessions, but the rest face-to-face. But I'm going to say height. I understand everything that's going on in my classes. Number 3 says, for the students, each student one by one, are you sure that you're transferring the information to them that they need, and that if they need some advice or some help, are you sure that you're getting them, that you're answering them quickly and getting them the help that they need? Okay, and then here we're going to click yes, because anytime the students write to me or contact me in any way, I'm very fast to help them, and I'm always watching carefully. Okay, now the next series of questions. This is how you're teaching the class. Um, this question here says, how many times are you teaching your class in these various ways? And here are the ways that we're teaching. All right, so I've moved my spreadsheet a little bit so I have more room. Here's my class, Danny Brown. Now, the first style of class is taimenjugo. It means face-to-face class. And I plan to teach 12 weeks face-to-face in my globalization class. So I'm just going to type 12. Okay, there we go. Now, this is high flex. High flex class means some teachers give the students an option to either come into the classroom or they can stay home and watch the class being taught on online. And so it's called high flex. Students can either attend online or in person at the same time. It's one class. I'm not doing that. It's too much trouble to set up my camera and also teach people personally. So I'm not doing that. If you are doing that, then type the number of times that you plan to do that this semester. Now is on demand. On demand means that you've recorded videos or PowerPoints and other handouts that the students can get at Google Classroom. And on demand, it means just at their leisure, at their time, they can check those out. It might be within the time required for the class, but they can do it whenever they want to at their schedule. I did that for this globalization class twice. The first 2 weeks, I sent them an email. I gave them a video to watch, a long video, 45 minutes. I gave them assignments and PowerPoints to watch and read and fill out and send back to me. So I'm going to put 2 because I did that 2 weeks this semester. Okay, there you go. Now, the next one is called real time. And real time means that you're using Meet, Google Meet, or Zoom, some kind of video chat usually, maybe some other real-time system, and you are online with the students and you're talking to them and communicating with them the whole time. They're watching you the whole time online, okay? And I did not do that. I did that last year, but this year I'm not doing anything, okay? So now this here is K, go K, it means the total. And it should have, okay, these are my 12 face-to-face classes and my 2 on-demand classes that I'm teaching this semester. And that should be a total of 14. You should have a total 14 here, okay? Because there are 14 weeks this semester. Now, let's move over. This says, if you taught a high flex class, how many students in your class are attending online? And you just have to kind of average what you think, the average number of students each week that are online. This says, if you are teaching online, but you had to change your syllabus because of that, the number of class meetings, the assignments, how you're grading students, etc. If you changed any of that, did you tell the students about that clearly? Okay, and then you have to just click here and you have to choose yes, I did. Okay. Syllabus correction. This one says if you've corrected your syllabus, what day exactly did you show the students the corrected syllabus? You're supposed to do that, and you have to write in the exact date that you showed the students the changed syllabus. Now this one says, if you changed your syllabus, are you sure that the students fully understand the changes? And so you're supposed to click here, yes or no, and you're supposed to click yes if you did it. Okay. Now I did not change my syllabus, so these 3 I did not answer. Okay, and this one I did not have a high flex class, so I simply did not answer it. And if you didn't do these, you don't need to answer them. All right. Now next, this question says, are you going to do a test? And here's my class. Yes. You can either say, no test. This is report. I'm going to have the students turn in a report instead of a test. This says, Jishi Shinai, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing a test. I'm not doing a report. This says Jishi Suru, I'm doing it. And it means I'm doing a test, okay? And I picked Jishi Suru because I have a test in this class. It's a final exam. That's what it means, final exam. Now next, this says, how are you giving your test, your final exam? And you click here, and you're giving it online or you're giving it face-to-face. And this is face-to-face, and I chose that because students will walk into my class face-to-face to take that test. This says, what is the day of the test or the deadline for turning in the reports? And my test for this class will be July 29th, Thursday. You have to check your last day. I guess I always give mine on the last day of class. And so this is the last day of my class. And so I typed that in, 7/29. Okay, when you finish that, you go ahead and find your other classes and continue filling out this information for all of them, and then Google spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will save itself. It's a self-saving spreadsheet. You just close it up and it's all done. Okay? Okay, that's it. I hope you understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks, guys. Take care.